Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. On Bonk, was very necessary. I should have maybe seen it coming. I mean, the thing is, I also did not see the major bullish momentum from Solana coming, which happened pretty much overnight. I mean, it already started a little bit yesterday evening. Yesterday evening, we got that breakout. But has since been very bullish. And together with that, not all Solana meme coins are very bullish, but you can see that Bonk is very bullish. I'm not sure how Whiff or When. I think When is also, yeah, Whiff is also still bullish, but it's not as bullish anymore. And When, I think, performed very, very well. So that's another Solana meme coin. Yeah, that performed quite well. So yeah, but in general, Solana ecosystem is popping off again. You can see right here that the total value locked of Solana right now is around $2.27 billion. So at some point of time, I mean, Bonk was just primed to rally. All right, I did talk about this before in some other videos. I covered a Bonk related meme coin yesterday as well, which I bought. And there, I mean, we did see that Bonk was kind of beating against this resistance level at 15,000 and 16,000, which you can see on the 4-hour time frame, provided some key resistance in the well, when was this? In the beginning of January. So we broke above that, but then, I mean, you can see it's just a massive breakout. You could not have really caught that because we found resistance first, and then we had that flush, and then we had that huge buy order, and it almost seems to me, which is bullish and bearish at the same point of time, it almost seems that this is kind of whale behavior. All right, so we can have a look at that. If you look at this, the 30 minutes, what you'll see is that the open interest started increasing a ton yesterday evening. Most of that was actually, yeah, I mean, it's mostly obviously buying volume because the price went up a lot. But it's mostly spot holdings, and then the futures are being pushed up here and there as well. But that does mean, I mean, it's a lot of money that's in open positions, like millions of dollars in open positions right here. I believe, I'm not sure if we're getting all the numbers right here. No, we're not getting all the numbers. We only have Huobi, Kraken, and OKX. That is not amazing. Why do we only get those numbers? I want more numbers, to be honest. So let me quickly look it up right here, because I think we know more right here. Yeah, so here you can see the open interest is much higher, but that started increasing a lot. I cannot look at the CVD from there, but in general, it looks like there's some whales positions. Now, like I said, that's bullish and bearish because I assume that their average price is lower. I assume their average price is probably somewhere around 16 or 17,000, which means that they're already at around like a 20-25% increase from where we are right here. So I would say, especially also in these markets, which are still, and I hate to give this answer, but I would wait for some sort of confirmation. If we look at the open interest right here, it's still bullish, all right? And if you look at it right here as well, it's still bullish. It's still up there. So there's no, for Bonk at this moment, there's no fundamental and there's no technical bearish confirmation yet. But due to these funding rates, which are ridiculous, due to Solana having found a strong resistance level as well, I think it's best. I think it's getting pretty 50-50 out there. And I would just wait for some sort of a breakout. Now, our main resistance level is pretty clear. It's 22,500, technical level, but also psychological level. And our main support level, I think, is pretty clear as well. It's 20,000, a little bit lower maybe. But I would just wait for that breakout, all right? And like I said, at this moment, because we have absolutely no bearish confirmation yet that we can identify, I think it's most likely that we'll continue up. And then we very quickly get towards levels around the last all-time high. But first of all, it's probably 25,000 and then 28,000 and then 30,000, all right? Especially 28 up to 30,000 would be my main resistance level, main price target. But let's wait for that breakout, all right? Because if for some reason Bonk right here breaks down below 20,000 and Bitcoin is showing some bearish momentum as well, before you know it, we're back at those levels we were at yesterday afternoon. So be careful, all right? But then you'll be fine. If you wait for the confirmation, I think you'll be fine. But those are my thoughts. That's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.